front of me is VIVO X300 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. By opening Themes app and tapping on Trending, then Themes at the top, or Categories where you also have to select themes. You can always tap on a search bar as well and type in whatever you want to. After finding perfect theme, click on it, choose Download and hit Apply. As you can see, after a few seconds, theme of my device has changed. Now, if you want to go back to your default theme or any other downloaded one, you need to re-enter themes. Choose Local at the bottom right corner of main screen and tap on Local Themes where you will find your default ones, the most popular ones, and all of your downloaded ones. Then tap on Atmosphere and hit Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!